Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Ford Ranger wheel arches. First, gather your essential tools, including a drill, a measuring tape, and a marker. Next, thoroughly clean the wheel arch area on your Ranger. This ensures proper adhesion and a secure fit. Finally, test fit your new wheel arch flares to confirm they align correctly and provide the desired coverage before you begin any permanent modifications. This crucial step saves time and prevents errors. Now, let's move on to drilling and mounting. Carefully mark your drilling points using the pre-drilled holes on the wheel arch flare as a guide. Then, using a drill, create pilot holes. A 6mm drill bit is often suitable for this task. Once your pilot holes are ready, secure the flares firmly to your Ranger's body using the provided self-tapping screws or other fasteners. Ensure each screw is snug for a stable attachment. After mounting, sealing is a vital step for protection. Apply a high-quality, weather-resistant sealant along all the edges where the flare meets the vehicle body. This creates a crucial barrier, preventing water and debris from entering and causing potential damage. Make sure the sealant forms a continuous, tight seal. Promptly wipe away any excess sealant with a clean cloth to achieve a professional and tidy finish around your new wheel arches. To complete the installation, perform some final checks. Double-check every fastener to ensure they are all tight and securely holding the flares in place. Carefully inspect the entire installation for any noticeable gaps or loose sections that might compromise the fit or protection. For long-term durability and appearance, regularly clean your new wheel arch flares. This simple maintenance will keep them looking great and performing effectively for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.